In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed on Substack. If you want your posts to feel dynamic and engaging, embedding media is one of the easiest ways to do it. I'll walk you through videos, audio and podcasts, images and GIFs, and code blocks, and share a few helpful tips along the way, so everything looks great when you hit publish. Let's start with videos. In your Substack post draft, simply copy the URL of your video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo and paste it directly into the editor on its own line. Substack will automatically turn that link into a playable embed. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see the preview appear. If it stays as plain text, tap Enter to nudge the embed into place. For best results, make sure the video is set to public or unlisted on the hosting platform. Private links generally won't display. After it appears, you can type a short caption or context right below the player to guide your readers. For audio and podcasts, look for the audio icon in the editor. Click it and upload your file, and Substack will generate a clean, built-in player right inside your post. Common formats like MP3 and M4 work well. Larger files may take a moment to process, so keep the editor open until the upload completes. Once it's in, play it back in the editor or preview mode to confirm the sound is clear and the levels feel consistent. Add a brief description or timestamp notes underneath to help listeners jump to key moments. When it comes to images and GIFs, you can drag and drop files straight into the draft or click to upload them from your device. After they appear, you can resize or reposition them to suit your layout. Short captions are great for context, and adding descriptive alt text improves accessibility for readers using screen readers. If load time matters, consider compressing large images before uploading, and keep GIFs reasonably small so they play smoothly on mobile. Finally, for code blocks, click the angle bracket icon in the editor. This opens a code block that supports syntax highlighting for languages like Python and CSS. Paste your code inside and check the preview to make sure indentation and formatting look right. If your snippet is long, consider breaking it into smaller sections and add a sentence of explanation above each block, so readers can follow along. That's it. By pasting video links, uploading audio, dropping in images or GIFs, and using the code block tool, you can bring your Substack posts to life with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.